Welcome back everyone, Mr. Elbert here. In this video we're going to talk about why PEMDAS is important, why the order of operations is important. And I'm going to show you on the left side how to do a problem correctly, and then how, if we ignore PEMDAS, we're going to come up with an incorrect answer on the right side. So let's take a look at the first problem, 2 plus 3 times 5. Now, if we follow the steps of PEMDAS, there are no parentheses, no exponents. There is multiplication, so we're going to multiply first. So we're going to multiply 3 times 5 first. So we pull the 2 down, 2 plus 3 times 5 is 15. And then 2 plus 15 is 17. And that's our correct answer for that problem. Now, make sure you don't do it like this. This would be the incorrect answer, where if we have 2 plus 3 times 5, someone who didn't know about PEMDAS might start from the left and work toward the right and add 2 plus 3, which is 5, and then just bring the times 5 down. And then 5 times 5 would be 25. So that's where you would get to if you didn't use the order of operations. And obviously 17 isn't equal to 25, so if you ignore PEMDAS, that's you. But if you use PEMDAS correctly, awesome. Alright, so let's see one more example. 4 times 5 squared. Well, we don't have any parentheses. We do have an exponent there, so we have 5 squared, so that's what we're going to do first. 5 squared is the same as 5 times 5, so that gives us 25. And then that 4 times comes down. So 4 times 5 squared equals 4 times 25, and 4 times 25 equals 100. And that's, once again, the correct answer. Let's look at what would happen if we were especially irresponsible and didn't use PEMDAS. 4 times 5 squared, and we just started with 4 times 5. Well, 4 times 5 is 20, and then that squared would come down. And so we would have 20 squared. Well, 20 squared is the same as 20 times 20, which would equal 400. So 20 squared is equal to 400, but 4 times 5 squared is not equal. That's not equal to 20 squared. So once again, that's incorrect. So this side of the page is just to show you that if you ignore PEMDAS, then you'll come up with the wrong answers. But this is why PEMDAS is important, so that we can get to the correct answers. Yeah, so hopefully that's simple enough and shows you a little bit into why we do things the way we do.